Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my first episode about my garage and my two kids. And my name is Tony. And today I want to open a box of my Greenworks portable electronic pressure washer kit to clean up my 3 cars and my concrete step. Okay, let me see. Try to open this up and see what they come with. This is the owner menu. This is hold the solution to wash car and wash the concrete. This is the space cut gun. This is the main pressure washer. And the hoses and connect it. And this is one the kit come with it is clean the driveway, the pavement. You put it on the driveway, and I guess this spray will moving and it clean up the pavements. It's very useful. Alright, let me hook it up to see how it works. Okay, it take me almost 15 minutes to hook this up with my power outlet and my water outlet. So let me test it on my concrete step to see how it look after I clean it up. Okay, you can see the difference after I use 10 seconds on it. Try to keep the cleaning up the step because the step underneath is very dark. I don't know, can you guys see it, but I'm trying. Now I'm doing my garage door. So it's see all the dirt, dust, very dirty. So I'm gonna try to clean it up. You guys can see right now is sunset, so it take me almost an hour or something to finish just my garage door and my step concrete. It look pretty good for the money. I disassemble all the stuff right here because I don't get a chance to clean up my cars. I have a couple cars have to clean up because the winter is a lot of snow and the salt on the car, and I want to clean it up, but it's too late for me to do it now. Maybe some other day. I have a E39 M5, and in the future, if you guys want to see how I do some DIY to my car, I have to fix up some of the stuff because like it's old one. It's almost 20 some years old car, so it needs a lot of things to change. And also I have a couple other cars. Miata, same thing. I have to change the soft top because like a crack and wear and tear. And my Camry need a real car wash because I drive it most of the time in the winter. That too is summer car, the MX-5 Miata and the M5. So you guys leave some comment on my bottom to see how you guys like me to tackle on the next project on my garage, the M5, the MX-5 or the Camry. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna clean it up, and give me a like, subscribe and follow me. Thank you for your support. Okay, bye bye.